Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
First, plug Chromecast into your TV HDMI and connect its power adapter to an outlet. Turn the TV to the HDMI input that shows the Chromecast welcome screen. Next, get your phone or tablet and enable Bluetooth and location services so Google Home can discover devices. Confirm you know the new Wi-Fi network name and password and whether the network is 4 GHz or 5 GHz. Keep your phone within 3 to 6 feet of the Chromecast for the setup. Open the Google Home app on your phone and sign into the same Google account you use for Chromecast. Tap Add, then Set Up Device, then New Device in your home to scan for the Chromecast. When Google Home finds it, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the device code and choose the new Wi-Fi network name. Enter the password exactly, using upper and lowercase where needed. If the app cannot find the device, perform a factory reset using the Chromecast button and repeat these same steps. If setup fails, first restart the router, your phone, and the Chromecast device to clear temporary issues. Confirm the router does not use client isolation or guest network restrictions that block device discovery. Try switching your phone and Chromecast between the router 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands to see which works better. If that still fails, perform a factory reset by holding the Chromecast button for 25 seconds until the LED blinks rapidly. Then repeat the Google Home setup process from the start.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.